In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add wishes for your Wishtender profile. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your wishtender.com and go into your profile and click add your first wish here in the blue button down here. Then from here you have two options. You have a custom option and a pre-fill with URL option. So the first thing you need to do is go over and write in your wish name. Then from here you can add a price for that product or that wish. Then from here you can also select the URL, which is optional. Down here you can upload a custom photo if you want to do that. And down here you can either say it's a single wish, which means that the wish will be taken off your wish list after it has been purchased, or you can allow repeat purchases. The second option is subscription, and that is allow one-time purchase, or you can do it daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly. And as you can see, allows gifters to purchase this item on a regular basis, or you can crowdfund, and you already know what that means. Then from here you can categorize your wish, and that is also optional. I'm just gonna click back for now, and then you can click add wish like so. And as you can see now, the bag has been added to your wish list. Now, pre-fill with URL is super simple to do. You simply need to copy and paste the URL from the specific store, and everything else will be pre-filled, and you can go down and click add wish. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!